Hi there, students. Heady. Okay, heady means intoxicating, making you dizzy or drunk. So we were drinking heady cocktails. It's something that's potent and strong. We very often use heady to mean this idea of intoxicating or dizzying, but to the mind. So, exhilarating or amazing. The film was a heady mixture of action, excitement and sex. Amazing. Wow. Or you could say something like, we drove at heady speeds. So it was exhilarating and maybe a bit frightening as well. So heady, very fast, very strong. There was a heady barrier which we were speeding towards. I got the feeling we were going to crash against it. I looked down and the drop was heady. It was a long vertical fall. Now, you can also use heady to mean rash or impetuous. A heady person. This is somebody who acts without thinking. Yeah, it's when you act before engaging your brain. Okay, heady. We also use heady to mean of the mind, intelligent, intellectual. These are heady matters to discuss over breakfast. Yeah, they're very intellectual, but heady as well, meaning intelligent. He made some very heady decisions. You could also use this word heady to talk about a headache or something that makes you woo. So after the party, I had a hangover and I felt very heady. So notice again, this is a slightly different meaning. So heady, something that's dizzying, something that makes your senses react, something that you might think is exciting, or then rash or impetuous, acting without thinking, a heady decision that you're not then able to fulfill. Or heady, intelligent, of the mind, heady matters to discuss. So notice it goes in various different ways. Now, your next question, what about the formality of heady? I think I would probably classify it as slightly literary, maybe a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use heady in an informal conversation, although I think it would be better if you were writing a descriptive essay or something like that. Yeah, I think it's a good word for that, but I think it's probably best for something semi-formal or something literary. You could also use it in a very formal document as well. So the etymology, I've done it again. The etymology means it comes from the head. Yeah, it's about the head. Okay, so I hope to produce another heady video for your consumption later today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Heady.